today
I'm going to teach you how to make the most perfect grandma's dish to prepare on a Sunday.
Also, I start by chopping a leek. My trick is to make a kind of cross, one cut and then another, so that with each little cut, I get 4 pieces. So let's go at it so we get really small pieces. In a pan, I add a good amount of oil so it's plentiful. And once it's hot, over medium heat, I'll also add the chopped garlic leek. Of course, we give it a few stirs and let it cook until it starts to brown. While this is happening, let's keep doing some things, starting by chopping 1/3 of a bell pepper. In my case, it's red, and at home they ask if another type of pepper is okay. Well, yes, you can use green pepper, you can use yellow pepper, you can use a chili. Everything adds flavor here. Use whichever you prefer. I'm using red pepper. I give it a few stirs, and while it's cooking, let's go for that strong flavor. In my case, a monkfish tail or piscine, but you can use whatever fish you prefer in as much as you like. If you like it with a lot of fish, add a lot. And if you like it with just a little, just use a small, well-cut piece. The recipe works that way too. Now we're going to take these cubes to the little pot where we already have the softened pepper and we just drop them in. Let's give it a few stirs so it heats up, and we're going to add a little extra magic with some paprika. This is up to your taste. I use the sweet kind, but you can use the spicy one too if you prefer, or even better, mix a little of both. Once this starts cooking, we wait and add some potatoes. I'm going to add 5, and as you can see, I just peel them with a peeler and cut them. No, I don't cut them, I break them. That is, I take the knife, stick it in, and twist it off. Once you see that the fish starts cooking, that's the moment to add some fish broth here. I'm going to use 1.5 liters, but you can add a little more if you want it even soupier, or a little less if you want it thicker. The thing is to add it like this. Give it a few stirs and add the potato. As you can see, it's broken, not cut. Why is that? Well, because this way it releases its starch and you get the sauce to be a bit thicker without adding any thickener. Once you have it, cover it and wait for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, cook until the potato is soft. And how do you know if it's ready? Very easy. You take a fork and a spoon, grab one of the potatoes, any of them, and split it. If you notice it splits easily like this, see how it falls apart? That means it's already soft enough to split with a fork. Perfect point for this spectacular stew. All that's left is to remove it from the heat and serve. Look at the color, broth, and aroma. I'm sure you want to grab a plate and start enjoying it.
Look at that.
Piece of
dish, a super complete meal. One of those that fills your body and mind, and I think maybe even your soul a little bit too. With flavor and with a lot of health, long live spoon dishes, I'm sure you're craving to try this broth.
Thank you. Fantastic. And the Arnold.
The last secret is that there are people who, at this moment, when they already have it on their plate, like to crush 2 or 3 of the
pieces of
potato